Welcome to Storytime with Anna. I'm Anna. The book that I'm going to be reading is called 1, 2, 3 Birds in a Tree. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3 Birds in a Tree. When we are counting, we start with 1. Then count 2 birds. It's lots of fun. 2. Can you count 2 chickens? 1, 2. 2 chickens. 3. The next number we count is the number 3. How many hummingbirds do you see? 1, 2, 3. 3 hummingbirds. Can you count 3 pink flowers? 1, 2, 3. 3 pink flowers. 4. Colorful parrots and the number 4. Let's turn the page and find some more. Which parrot is green? Do you see the green parrot? There is the green parrot. 5. These birds are toucans. Can you count 5? All of these animals keep the jungle alive. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Can you find one blue caterpillar? Like this one? There's the caterpillar. 6. We're all together up in the tree. I count 6 birds. What do you see? Can you find all 6 birds? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6 birds. They're all different kinds of birds. Which type of bird is your favorite? My favorite is the hummingbird, which is that one. The end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye!